Cool.
All right, crew, here we go. We have a mixer 2024 Rhody baseball mixer random teams number 3. This one a little different than the first two. They were all different actually. 2024 Bowman Chrome, 2024 Bowman Draft. Let's get after it. So overdue for a trade night. Really nice new stuff. There you go. Trade night and shows, man. Unload some of that new stuff. 6 and 5, 11 times. 11 times left. Yeah, check the checklist. Topps Chrome. You'd be amazed at some of the cool autos that are in Topps Chrome.
11 times. We got the Diamondbacks to the Padres.
That was a weak cut. I didn't even cut through the plastic. Testing. Oh, no, it's just like section cupped. I think I can.
And 11.
Diamondbacks right up top, huh?
Greg Allen to Ginger.
Ginger. Appreciate the fill, crew. Boxes are coming. I can flip my camera back up. There we go.
Greg with the Diamondbacks. Ginger with the Padres.
PSA 10 is going to be harder to come by when you send out your stuff, so 10s might fetch a little more of a premium, and 9s might start to creep back above raw. A lot of stuff's been going raw and 9s fairly similar, which is disappointing because it makes the grading process really, really tough. You get a little bump on your 9s, big bump on your 10s. 8s, no good. 8s and lower on modern, of course. 9s have been hovering around raw quite a bit for quite a few different things. Missed on Kurtz and Bazana. Who got Cleveland? Scott Heim did. Beeves, as Canada would say. And Cags. Greg Allen with the Cags. That's alright. Just hit the 101 and then some, you know? Those teams don't matter if they don't hit in the boxes, right? So we'll see. We will see. Time will tell. Go Cags, go Gators. Matt Ryan at trade night, he was like, "Yeah, I was on my way out, but I heard your voice," and I was like, "That sounds familiar." I think that was you, right, Ryan? Said that. Oh. Card cam, if you could, Lon, please. Thank you, sir.
Also.
All right, crew, here we go. We got Gunnar Henderson. International Impact. What is this? 15 out of 150 mini diamond. My first Bowman Skeens. Woo. Ginger, you got the Skeens, Chase. A nice card, man. Love that. My first Bowman insert mini diamond out of 150. Half the jersey number, eBay 101. Half jersey number, 15. Like those. Shorio? Damn, that's a nice little start to this. Yordani Monegro, 135 out of 299, Speckle Auto, Red Sox. Ginger, look at this. See this? Ginger just crushing. Absolutely crushing. Rafaela, rookie. Nunez, Wicks. Backwards stuff. Luis Matos, 48 out of 299, San Fran. Mike Pettit. These are 55s. Those are regulars off. David De Los Santos. Jimmer, Uwasawa. 55s. All right, nice little first, nice first mini box there. Let's see what we can do. Showtop. Came to the league. Shorio. I wish they made those like case hits. They came to leagues. They're so cool. They're just not SP. Base auto sure is. Cincy. Blake Dunn. Cincy. Joe. With the base. First Bowman Inc. Wow, he was a late pick. What pick was he? Without looking, chat. What pick? Rojas got the Curtis Mead on the anniversary card. Zayas and Bernard. 257. No, you didn't cheat because you're not even close. $450. How do they have between picks 49 and 450? How long on the clock? Like 30 seconds? That's so many picks. It's one of those drafts that they like continue on a forum.
Yeah,
and just like you have 24 hours to make your pick. Like our buddy Dan does a fantasy golf league, and it's like a 3-week draft. It's like you have X hours on whatever their message board is to type your pick out. I would love, man. The owners allegedly want a salary cap in baseball. It's not going to fly. That's the one thing the Players Association would never give up. But, man, I would love that in baseball. A floor and a cap. Whew. I think we've talked about it a little bit, but that would be incredible. And that's coming from a big market guy. Not that they spend the way they used to, but...
Or a stat, and it was like the amount of money that team spent the last 2 years.
Yep.
And Mets and LA were like 1 billion plus, and Miami was like $5 million. So you have $1 billion to $5 million. Brothers Dynasty Fantasy Baseball League has 2 hours for each pick, 7 rounds, 3 to 4 days.
That's cool. All right, we skip through the paper here. You get it all, but we do skip the paper. Unless it's numbered, of course. Colored paper, we check out. See what we can do here. Good luck, crew. So we skip through the paper. Drew Bean. Auto. Looks like we got White Sox base auto. Cab King. What do we got for you, buddy? It is Sam Antonacci. White Sox. First Bowman. Base ink. Marco Jenkins. Zach Erhard. Boston. And then some paper. Just paper. No numbered paper in there. Brody Brecht. Tears. DeVry. Refractor. Connor Griffin, nice. Nice little first for him. Intune Walcott's. Josh Hartle and Chandler Welch. All right, one little stack here. A little bit of paper. Maybe with our first numbered paper. Sure is. Green. Nathan Flowling, 27 out of 99. Tampa spots. Greg Allen. Jackson Kent on the sky blue chrome. These ones are unnumbered. The sky blue paper is numbered. It's going to Washington. Rhody. What's up, Rhody? Makash and Langevin. All right, pass the paper. Hagen Smith. He's one of the best pitchers in this product, right? Green is an auto. It sure is. Good luck. It is Carson DeMartini, 34 of 99. Phillies. Ginger, DeMartini, Greeny. Holton. And then just paper with no color. So we should be do one more auto, maybe some SP love, maybe other color. Paper there. Green here. It is Fenwick Trimble, 71 of 99. Miami spot. That's Joe. That's Cags. Nick McLean. Just a little bit. 2 paper cards there. So we'll start off with paper here. Paper at the back of the paper stack. Intune Kurtz. Ariel Armas. And Walcott. All right, so third column here should, in theory, have another auto. Let's check it out. No numbered paper there. There it is. We're going to Phillies again. Ginger. Carson DeMartini. All right, well, not a lot of variation here in the autos. 2 of the same guy. A base and a much nicer greenie. Both coming to you, Ginger. Appreciate it, man. There's Cax on the refractor. Very nice. Greg, take it. Nothing crazy, but still one of the chases. Refractor. And we do have some paper here. It is Flowing. 456 out of 499. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Zaire Hope is the kid that just doesn't have the first, but he's one of the bigger chases in this, right? Doesn't have the first Bowman, though. Kavaris Tears, 26 out of 125, San Diego. That is Ginger. Cam Smith, nice. Bench, Waldschmidt, Refractor, and Byron Chorio. Last little bits. Looks like we might have one more. Looks like a sky blue chrome, which will be unnumbered. That's all I see, or seem to see, at least. It is Victor Hurtado. Nationals. Rhody. Max Clark. I love these top prospects in action. Parenti is having us grade a Cags, one of these. Yeah, this box was very... there was not much variation in that box, for sure. That box did not have lots of variation. Get your recap in just a sec. Much love on the fill. 101 didn't hit again, so move that thing up quick. 170, just hit it for 950 the other night. Already back to 170 after this break. Good. All right, crew, here it is. Recap of 2024 Rhody Baseball Mixer. Random teams, number 3. Much love on the fill. Thank you very much. Max Clark on the hanger. Griffin, Rafaela, Shorio, Shota, Mead on the throwback. Cam Smith, Cags on refractors. Uesawa on the shimmer. Erhard on the refractor. Brecht, Lunar Glow. The Sky Blue Chrome, not numbered. Jackson Kent and Hurtado. Numbered stuff. Flowlink, 499. Matos 299. Skeens, this card's awesome. 15 out of 150 on the My First Bowman Mini Diamonds. Tears 125. Flowering 99. Trimble 99. Autos. DeMartini. Antonacci. Dunn. Monegro. Out of 299 and out of 99. DeMartini. There it is, crew. Appreciate the fill on the Rhody Baseball Mixer Random Teams, number 3, 2024 style. Thanks, crew.